Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn inverse trigonometric functions. We'll start by understanding what these functions are and why they are essential. Essentially, inverse trigonometric functions help us find the angle when we already know the value of a trigonometric ratio. Think of them as undoing the work of sine, cosine, or tangent. This foundational understanding is key to mastering the topic. Next, understanding the specific domains and ranges for each inverse trigonometric function is absolutely critical. Unlike regular trigonometric functions, inverse functions have restricted domains to ensure they are one-to-one and thus have a unique inverse. For instance, the range of arc sine x is from negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. Knowing these restrictions prevents common errors and helps in solving problems accurately. Now, let's talk about the essential properties and formulas. There are several key identities and relationships that you'll need to learn and apply. These include formulas for sums, differences, and compositions of inverse trigonometric functions. Don't just memorize them, understand their derivations. Consistent practice with these formulas will build your confidence and speed in tackling complex problems, making the learning process much smoother. Finally, the most effective way to truly master inverse trigonometric functions is through consistent and varied practice. Work through numerous examples from your textbook and make sure to solve previous year's question papers to understand common problem patterns. Don't shy away from challenging problems. They are excellent learning opportunities. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive these concepts will become. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.